The Croods Family Tree is a fun and exciting movie. It tells the story of the Croods, a family of cave people, and their adventures. The Croods live in a time when everything is wild and dangerous. They must learn how to survive while also getting along with each other. This movie shows how important family is, even during tough times. It is full of action, humor, and heartwarming moments that everyone can enjoy.
The Croods are a unique family. Grug is the strong and protective father. Ugga is the caring and smart mother. Their kids are Eep, the adventurous teenager, Thunk, the funny and clumsy brother, and Sandy, the fierce baby. They also have Gran, the clever grandmother, who always has something funny to say. Together, they make a team that faces many challenges but stays united.
One day, the Croods meet another family called the Bettermans. The Bettermans are very different from the Croods. They live in a big, beautiful tree house and use tools and technology. Phil and Hope are the parents, and Dawn is their daughter. Dawn is friendly and curious. At first, the two families don't get along. They have different ways of living, and this creates funny and tense situations.
Eep and Dawn quickly become friends. They explore together and share their dreams. Eep loves the idea of freedom and adventure, while Dawn is excited to see the world outside her home. Their friendship shows how people from different backgrounds can connect. They learn from each other and have fun despite their differences. Their bond becomes an important part of the story.
Grug and Phil often disagree. Grug thinks the Bettermans are too fancy, and Phil thinks the Croods are too simple. They argue about how to do things, like finding food or staying safe. However, they both care deeply about their families. Over time, they realize they can learn from each other. Their disagreements bring humor to the movie and teach a lesson about teamwork.
One big challenge the families face is a wild group of monkeys. These monkeys are smart and work together to take what they want. The Croods and the Bettermans must join forces to protect their home. This leads to many funny and exciting moments. The families discover that they are stronger when they work as a team. It's a reminder that cooperation is key.
The movie also shows how important it is to adapt. The Croods learn new ways of living from the Bettermans, like using tools and enjoying comfort. At the same time, the Bettermans learn about the Croods' strength and bravery. Both families realize that combining their skills makes life better. This lesson is important for anyone facing changes in life.
Thunk, the Croods' son, loves watching the window, which is actually a frame that shows the outside world. He spends hours staring at it like it's a TV. His love for the window brings many laughs. Eventually, he learns that experiencing the real world is even better than watching it. Thunk's journey shows the importance of living in the moment and enjoying life.
Gran, the grandmother, adds a lot of humor to the story. She is full of energy and surprises everyone with her clever ideas. Gran often says funny things and helps the families when they least expect it. Her wisdom and courage remind everyone that age is just a number. Gran proves that even the oldest family members can make a big difference.
Sandy, the baby, is small but mighty. She doesn't speak, but her actions say a lot. Sandy is fearless and often surprises everyone with her strength. She helps in tough situations and shows that even the youngest family members are important. Sandy's bravery inspires the others and adds excitement to the movie. Her character is a reminder that everyone has something valuable to offer.
The treehouse where the Bettermans live is amazing. It has many rooms, beautiful views, and creative designs. The Croods are impressed but also feel out of place. They are used to living in a cave. Over time, they start to enjoy the comfort and beauty of the treehouse. The treehouse becomes a symbol of how different lifestyles can come together to create something wonderful.
Eep and Guy's relationship is another key part of the movie. Guy is Eep's boyfriend, and he used to live with the Bettermans. This creates some funny and awkward moments. Eep and Guy show how love can grow even when things get complicated. Their relationship is sweet and teaches the importance of understanding and trust. It adds a touch of romance to the story.
Dawn, the Betterman's daughter, is curious and kind. She wants to explore the world, but has always been protected by her parents. When she meets Eep, she gets a taste of adventure. Dawn's journey shows how stepping out of your comfort zone can lead to amazing experiences. Her character inspires viewers to be brave and try new things.
The wild monkeys are not just enemies, they also teach a lesson. The monkeys work together as a team, which makes them strong. This reminds the families that unity is important. The Croods and the Bettermans learn to trust each other and face challenges together. The monkeys add excitement and danger to the story, making it even more thrilling.
The movie is full of funny moments. From Grug's misunderstandings to Thunk's love for the window, there's always something to make you laugh. The humor makes the story enjoyable for both kids and adults. It shows that even in tough times, laughter can bring people together. The Croods. Family Tree is a movie that keeps you smiling from start to finish.
Music and colors make the movie even more enjoyable. The bright landscapes, creative designs, and lively music create a magical atmosphere. These details bring the story to life and make it unforgettable. Viewers feel like they are part of the Croods world. The visuals and sounds make the movie a treat for the senses.
At the heart of the movie is the theme of family. Both the Croods and the Bettermans care deeply about their loved ones. They may argue and face challenges, but they always come together. The movie shows that family is about love, support, and understanding. It's a message that touches everyone's heart and makes the story meaningful.
By the end of the movie, the two families become friends. They learn to respect each other's differences and work together. This shows that even people who are very different can find common ground. The movie teaches that unity and understanding can overcome any challenge. It's a beautiful message about acceptance and friendship.
The Croods family tree is not just about survival, it's about growth. Both families grow and learn from each other. They become stronger and happier together. The movie reminds us that change can be good and that we can always learn from others. It's a story of hope, laughter, and love that stays with you long after the movie ends.
The Croods Family Tree is a movie for everyone. It's full of adventure, humor, and heartwarming moments. The characters are lovable, and the story is exciting. It teaches important lessons about family, friendship, and growth. Whether you're young or old, this movie has something for you. It's a journey that shows how love and unity can make life better. The Croods Family Tree teaches us many important lessons. First, family is our greatest strength. Even when we face challenges, love and support from our family can help us overcome anything. Second, change is not something to fear. It can bring new opportunities and make us grow. Third, teamwork is powerful. By working together, we can achieve more than we can alone. Finally, it reminds us to embrace differences. Learning from others makes us stronger and helps us see the world in new ways. These lessons make the movie inspiring and meaningful for everyone.